Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch a coral mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So the coral one will be in blue and coral color like this. And if you're seeing your radar, you can also see coral here. So to catch it, you can just use your bass gun and shoot it at the fish like this. So it depends on the fish itself for the difficulties, and that's it. That's how you can catch a coral mutated fish inside Abyss Roblox. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.